12 मैचेस हो चुके हैं, क्या अभी भी वो एक जिटरी फीलिंग है जब आप मैदान पर उतरती हैं, और इज इट ऑल राइट बिकॉज यू आर स्कोरिंग रियली वेल, 60+ एवरेज है, बहुत अच्छा स्ट्राइक रेट है, लास्ट मैच में भी अच्छी रही परफॉर्मेंस, क्या क्या आप सोच रही हैं इस समय पर, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट अ वेरी गुड टाइम, लेकिन आप कुछ मैचेस खेल चुकी हैं, सो उसके बारे में जानना चाह रहा था। और इसी का सेकंड पार्ट है जो एक डीमेरिट पॉइंट्स के बारे में चीज़ें आई हैं, एक ही मैच में 2 बार वो ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप, आपकी क्या प्रतिक्रिया है उस पर?
So first of all, I don't feel under the pressure that I have to bat in every single match. These were my ambitions from the very start. I wanted to represent the country, wanted to win matches for the country, and I'm very happy that I'm going forward in a way that I intended to. Second of all, on that question, it was not intentional. I was just running in my way, and that shoulder bash thing was completely out of it was not deliberate in that sense. I don't think there's a reaction to it or maybe a fuss out of it. So it was not that intentional.
How much are you guys discussing World Cup at this point of time, because it's very close now? Are you guys planning for the games, constantly talking about that, yes, we are planning to do that because of the World Cup, or it's the usual says one game at a time? How's the chat in the dressing room?
We're taking seriously, we're taking just one game at a time. We're currently, our prime focus is to win this series, to win the next match. We're already up in the series, and our prime focus is to win this series with with 3-0. That'll be great. Also, what I feel like, keeping one thing at a time helps with better focus and better concentration. So we're just on that note.
Right. Firstly,
it is a very good team, so I don't feel like there's a upper hand or anything like that, because it's a game of small fractions, and given the conditions, England can bounce back. So we're not that excited. We're not that nervous that the fact that we're one up. We're taking one game at a time, and we're quite confident that we can win the series as well.
Yeah, Stan.
Pratika, obviously you said that you're not thinking too much about the World Cup. It's still a few months away. After this, there comes the Australia series at home.
Right.
But these fixtures like these, when you play with England or Australia, it teaches a lot to you, because as compared to perhaps smaller units. I mean, how do you see this personally? What has been the learning from the series so far, and how do you plan to implement those things in your game?
See, scoring well against teams like England and Australia gives you a lot of confidence, and when we get a lot of matches against them, I think it builds a type of confidence that is required in the upcoming series and matches. So I think it's a great initiative to play as many matches as we can. Also, the fact that our team is progressing right now is amazing, and there has been a lot of contribution from all the players.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, Pratika, I have a larger question for you, which is that, as you said, it's everybody's dream to represent the country if you're playing cricket and to play in Lords. Now, we have covered the men's matches also. I'm from Rev Sports. We have covered the men's matches also, the men's practice, and today we are here, myself and my colleague here, we are both from the same organization. We are covering, the PC and the practice. Now, the room has just a handful of Indian journalists. And I'm afraid that is exactly what I will see at the practice, whereas during the men's practice, it's chock-a-block. Does that hurt you, because you are representing the country, you're playing at a very high level, and the team is doing well? So can I have any responses to that?
I look at it in a very different way. I have a different perspective on that. I think the amount of media-wise and entertainment-wise, the women cricket has been growing a lot since the past decade. So I think there's a lot of scope in this game. And what I feel like, if you must have seen the matches, there's a lot of crowd here. Back in the previous days, there was not much that support and crowd as compared to now it is. So I'm very happy that the way it's progressing right now, and to be very honest, I'm very optimistic in that front, and I feel like the women cricket is about to reach greater heights.
Right.
Just to take it